Okay, big question, big question, big question. Happy Friday, by the way. Hope you guys are going to have a fun, awesome weekend. Our team, we're working on some really great new stuff that I'm very excited to share with you guys. But I wanted to answer the big question. Big question is, are my salespeople wasting time on social media? Are my salespeople wasting time being on social media? The answer is absolutely yes. Your salespeople and business development reps are most likely wasting time on social media. And I'm a young millennial dude. I'll be the first one to tell you and be totally transparent about that. Yeah, they're wasting time on social media because they're using social media as a tool to pitch, to sell, to try and just use it as like a content dump instead of genuinely engaging. And also process, guys. Process is so important. So a lot of sales reps go into social media and they're wasting hours, they're wasting a lot of time on the platform because they don't know what kind of process to use step by step. I know I do this, and this when I log in for 30 minutes, log in for an hour, and this is going to move the sales needle forward. So this is why I tell you your salespeople, your business development reps are absolutely wasting time on social media. Now, what can you do about it? Well, you can find resources, training, insights, social selling, webinars. There's a lot of different ways that you can, a lot of different tools and resources. You have the internet, the information is already out there. There's no secret as to how you can turn social media into an effective lead generation or branding source for you. You just have to go out and find it. So, encourage your people to be using social media, but make sure they're not wasting time. Make sure you're putting a process in place. If you have like specific questions or thoughts, or you want me to do another video on something specific about that, comment below, let me know. I'd love to hear from you and hope you have an incredible weekend. See you guys.